Probably like with a lot of people, sometimes you buy these sprays, the bathroom sprays and such, and after a while, when you press the button, it doesn't spray anymore. There's liquid in it, and that gets annoying and you don't want to waste the spray. So my wife says, hey, here's another one, because I just did this recently, and she says, how do you do that? So I figured, okay, if she doesn't know how I'm doing it, I'll do a quick video so people can see. Basically, you just take vice grips, pull up the metal around there, and then hopefully it's just liquid inside here, and there's just one of these type things down in that pulls liquid out. Because if the inside has one of those plastic bags that there's supposed to be pressure outside that helps squeeze the bag out, that doesn't work as well in other type of sprayers. But if it's just the liquid inside the can, these little sprayers that have the little mist spray, they works fine to put in here. We've had that. And the other key is if it's just a clear oil, it doesn't spray as well. If it's like the milky liquid where they most likely mixed it with water, I've noticed that tends to clog up the replacement sprayers less. So anyway, let's see how this goes. It should be easy. Alright, time to open it. First take the plastic cap off. Then you could use vice grips like this or any other pliers that give you good grip. Just start folding up the metal piece. And that's pretty much it. You just work your way around and fold, because normally in order for them to seal that, they have that upper piece clamped down over the lower piece. So once you get that all folded, it opens. That quick, and this now comes out. And I am glad to see it's one of these kind. It has just the milky liquid down in. Oh, let's see if I can pour it without spilling. Maybe. Doesn't help if the camera's out of focus. That's like half a container, so that's pretty good. So yeah, then this just goes down in there. And this is always hard to do with one hand. For some reason, they expect you to do these things with two hands. And this is going to make my garage stink. So hold on. I screwed this up the first time. The first time it was still light out. I opened the door. I sprayed. I thought I was recording. I hit the wrong button. Wasn't recording. So now I got to come back out and make my garage stink. So anyway, this is, you can see there's no wet spot. Take the spray. There's wet spot. It sprays.